Mall in Monroeville, Pennsylvania.
This escalator's in the movie. Should we go down it?
Yeah. So this is where they filmed Dawn of the Dead, which was the sequel to Night of the Living Dead, and we're about to go down the escalator that was used in the movie. Any good kosher candy here? These are usually kosher. No, I don't see the OU on here, so which is funny because these double bubbles usually are. All right, so and these are the. This is an escalator that was in the movie Dawn of the Dead. I've never actually seen this movie, but we're riding a zombie escalator, so this is where we are. I don't know how much of this has changed since the movie. What is he doing there? So. So here is a bust of Harry Sofer, a man whose vision and foresight made all that you see here possible.
Look at that pink suit. We need it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I would get it if it was like a longer frock, but not just. Look at the silver one.
Oh, that's single one. It's not.
I said if it was a longer frock, I would consider it. Like it was like a zoot suit or something. Have what?
Oh. It's like. Like glass.
Oh, Pee-Pee slime.
No fun.
Yeah.
These are all too small. You like a bigger one.
Tinkerbell.
Too small. Cute. It's a moon turtle. I love that.
What's the waffle?
That's cute.
Where's Moshe? Where's Moshe?
Right here.
Moshe,
Oh, look.
I have something to show you. Look at this. What is it?
Oh.
I know. Nicely hamster.
Oh, this is hamster ball.
I know. Size 6.
This is 7.
What size am I?
I don't know. It's 7.
Yeah.
Oh, ah. Get it off.
Get it off?
No, I can't get it off.
You need help?
Do you have like another house?
Maybe an 8.
Why I'm signing in. My name Claire.
That sounds like awesome. Are you here? Imagine if this like popped out.
It does. What these you try to catch? These are something that you have to try to like. It has one.
Where is it though?
The thing.
They're cute. There's so many.
Strawberry.